Today I'm going to be reading to you Jen the Hen. It's also one of my favorites. And it's illustrated by Jane Smith. I've read it a couple times, but not to you guys. Ben had a hen called Jen the Hen. And you go, Jen. Ben had 10 hens. Jen was number 10.
Can you show it?
There's the first one. I don't really see it. There's the second one. There's the third. There's the fourth. I like that one. And I like that one. That's the fifth. That's the fourth. That's the sixth. That's the seventh. That's the eighth, because you don't see it. That's the ninth, and that's the 10th.
Cool.
And that's Jen.
Yeah.
One day, Jen got out of her pen. Where's Jen? She's going off. There must have been a hole there, and she could have gotten out. But the rest of her hens are nice, and they didn't try to escape. Jen got out. We'll help you find her. We'll help you find her, said the men. She's not in the sheep pen, said Ben. Bah. No. Jen's not here. Oh dear. And she's not in my den. She really is in there, but they just don't see her. She's right there, her head popping out. She didn't want to go back in her cage. She might be in the pig pen, said the men. We'll soon find Jen. This is good fun. Let's look in the pig pen. Pig pen. They don't see it because they're looking forward. Oh, brother. There is the pig pen. Was Jen with Gwen? There she is. Oh, brother. She doesn't want to get fined. She got found. You want to hear the rest of it? I bet you would. Come on, Jen, said Ben. Back to your pen, then. Sorry, Jen. Bye-bye. Back to your pen. The end.
Good job. Did you like that one, Pepper? Yeah? Oh, yeah!
Yeah.